we have gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of 78th Independence Day. Today, let us take some time to value our nation and never forget the sacrifices. I would firstly like to give my priority to welcome our principal K. Bhagwan ma'am. I request Mrs. Kamrun ma'am to felicitate our principal ma'am.
Good morning, respected principal, dear teachers, dedicated staff, and my wonderful students. A warm welcome to each one of you on this beautiful day, a day that holds a special place in our heart, our Independence Day. Today, we gather not just as a school community, but as a proud citizens of this great nation. The nation with history rich in stories of bravery, sacrifice, and unity. Each year, as we hoist our flag, we remind the countless sacrifices made by our forefathers. The heroes who gave up everything so that we could live freely. Their dreams, struggles, and spirit have gifted us the freedom we cherish today. It is our duty to remember and honor their sacrifice. Dear students, today's celebration is not just about our past. It's about you and our future. It's about the various hopes and aspirations you carry forward. We are also a nation as one that is constantly evolving. I like to move by sheer energy and patriotism of our young minds, and today is an excellent day to learn new things, to express patriotism and remember the sacrifices of our forefathers. On this Independence Day, let us recommit ourselves to the ideals that make our country great. Let us remember the sacrifice that has made to protect our freedom. The celebration is not just about our past. We should also remember that we are the future. We hold the dreams and hopes of our nation in our hands. Our actions, our choices, and our voices will shape what our country becomes tomorrow. Let's come together not just as members of this school but as a whole family. Let's celebrate our history. I am excited to see all of us come together as our family. I welcome all for this Independence Day celebration, which will be full of joy. More than that, I am excited to see all of us come together and cherish the spirit of our nation. So let's make this day memorable, enjoy every moment, feel the pride in your heart, and let's promise to always value the freedom of our nation. Thank you for being here, and once again, I welcome you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Alia ma'am, for the warm welcome. Next, I request Mrs. Halima ma'am to give a speech on importance of Independence Day.
Good morning to everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, dear teachers and my dear students. First of all, I wish you a happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. I feel very great pride to present this speech. This is the most important day for all of us. On this day in 1947, we got independence from the British rule. Students, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many others devoted to their eternal life for the independence of our country. Today we are born in an independent country. Our freedom is pride and our brave soldiers fighting continuously on the border to protect our country, where we are having all freedom, fundamental rights. Students, we know it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duties and progress together for the growth and the development of our country. Our country will be strong and powerful in every field. With these few lines, I will end my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Would be meaningless without security in the home and in the streets. Now, we will hear from our talented students. Their speeches will surely inspire and motivate us all. Now, I would like to call Hasnan Madiwale from UKG to give a speech.
Morning everyone, respected principals, teachers and dear friends. My name is Muhammad Hasnan Afzal Khan Madiwale. At first, I wish you all happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August and we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. It is our national festival. On this day, India got freedom from British. We are lucky to live in country like India. I love my India very much. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Hasnan. Now, I would like to call Khatija from first standard to give a speech.
Morning everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಖತೀಜಾ ಶಹಬಾಜ್ ಖಾನ್ ದಫೇದಾರ್. ಇದು ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿದ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವ ದಿನ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಭಾಷಣ ಮುಗಿಸುವೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್. I am studying in class 1. Today is 15 August. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival of India.
Now, I would like to call Huda Mushrik from second standard to give a speech.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Rita Mushrif. I am studying in second standard. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day we got independence from the British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duties and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now, I would like to call Zaina Kantani from second standard to give a speech.
को मेरा नमस्कार. मेरा नाम जाना है. आज 15 अगस्त है. सबसे पहले आप सभी को मैं स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ. इस साल हम 78वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं. स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमारे देश का एक राष्ट्रीय त्योहार है. 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमें ब्रिटिश शासन से आज़ादी मिली। इस दिन हम अपने वीर स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को याद करते हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमें एकता की शक्ति सिखाता है। मुझे भारतीय होने पर गर्व है और मैं अपने देश से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Zaina. Now I would like to call Rehan to give us.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal and ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Riyan Raut. I am studying in second standard. I am honored to stand here today to speak on this special day. First of all, I wish you all happy Independence Day. This year we are celebrating Independence Day of India. As we all know, on August 15, 1947, India became free from British. We should work hard, stay united and make our country proud. At last, I want to say that I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, Rehan. Now I would like to call Asad Bhadkamkar from 3rd standard to give a speech.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Asad. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August and we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of our country. On this day, India became independent from British rule. We honor the freedom fighters who fought bravely to make country independent. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and more led the fight to freedom with determination and giving us the gift of democracy. On Independence Day, we remember long battle that our freedom fighters fought, sacrifices, and that they had made. Let us pledge to work together and be good citizens and be good human beings. Jai Hind.
Call Mahesh Khan Patan from 3rd standard to give a speech.
Respected principal, ma'am, sir, teacher, and my dear friends. My name is Mahesh Khan Patan. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. It is celebrated on 15th August. We are celebrating 78th Independence Day of our country. It is a very important day for all of us. We got independent on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. It is the greatest festivals of democracy. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. I love my country very much and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now I would like to call Sizan Angulkar from 5th standard to give a speech.
प्रभात, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम सीजान है। मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं आपको स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। आज 15 अगस्त है और हम 78वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस भारत का एक राष्ट्रीय पर्व है। इस दिन 1947 में भारत ब्रिटिश शासन से आज़ाद हुआ था। हमारे महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अपना पूरा जीवन हमारे देश की आज़ादी के लिए समर्पित कर दिया। हमें अपने स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों का आभारी होना चाहिए। मुझे भारतीय होने पर गर्व है। मैं अपने देश से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ। ना पूछो जमाने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछो जमाने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है। हमारी पहचान तो यही है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Now I would like to call Muhammad Atiq Nadab from 5th standard to give a speech.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅತೀಕ್ ರಿಯಾಜ್ ನದಾಫ್. ನಾನು 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ಅಂದು ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ತಂದುಕೊಂಡರು ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ತಿಲಕ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿಜಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಅನೇಕರು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರು. ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮೀಸಲಿಟ್ಟರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಾಗಬೇಕಿದೆ.
Now I would like to call Oman Ankari from 7th standard to give a speech.
Good morning everyone, respected sir, principal ma'am and all my dear friends. My name is Numan. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating 78th Independence Day of our country. On this day, India became independent from British rule. We honor the freedom fighters fought bravely. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and led the fight to freedom with determination. Let us pledge together and to be good citizens and good human beings. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Krishna to give a speech.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶಂಕರ್ ಲಮಾನಿ. ನಾನು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಯಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಮುಖ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳೇ, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಮುಖ್ಯ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ, ಮೊದಲನೇವಾಗಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇದು 15 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ 78ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15, 1947 ಭಾರತ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ನೇತಾಜಿ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ಅವರು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸೋಣ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
Thank you, Krishna. Now I would like to call Muhammad Sheikh from 8th standard to give a speech.
Good morning everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Sheikh. I am studying in 8th standard. Today we celebrating 78th Independence Day. As we all know that Independence Day is a special occasion for all of us. Independence Day is most important day for all Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in history. Today we celebrating 78th Independence Day, so we should feel proud to be an independent nation where we have to freedom of speech and freedom to live in our own way. On August 15, 1947, India became independent from British Dominion. This day symbolizes the end of struggle for freedom. Freedom fighters including Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru and many more worked relentlessly, significant sacrifices to make today a reality. Independence Day is time to remember bravery and dedication. It also thinks about what freedom to us. Freedom gives us to right to speak, to learn and to live our lives. Way to choose, but with freedom comes responsibility. And we should always respect our country and work hard to make it a better place. Let us celebrate this day, pride and joy. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Muhammad. Better to die fighting for freedom than be a prisoner all the days of your life. Now I would like to call Sanaya Bayal from nursery class, who is presenting a role of Jhansi Ki Rani.
I am
Thank you, Sanaya. Now I would like to call Tahura Tashawale from nursery, who is presenting a role of Rani Channamma.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tahura Tashawale. I am studying nursery class. I am Rani Channamma.
Thank you, Tahura. Now I would like to call Amin Ali from nursery, who is presenting a role of soldier. Harijan from LKG, who is presenting a role of Rani Lakshmibai.
Good morning everyone. My name is Janani Pasram Harijan. I'm studying in LKG class. My school name is Royal Public School. I'm studying in LKG class. And today there's some Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai is freedom fighter. Rani Lakshmibai is first woman freedom fighter. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Janani. Now I would like to call Fatima Nada from LKG.
Good morning everyone. My name is Fatima Sheikh. I'm studying in LKG class. My school name is Royal Public School. I'm there of Sarojini Naidu. She was first President of India. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Fatima. Now I would like to call Inaya Bayal from LKG, who is presenting the role of Jawaharlal Nehru.
My name is Inay Ramzan Pal. I am studying in LKG class. My school name is Royal Public School. I am this Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Now I would like to call Muhammad Adhian Bayal from LKG, who is presenting the role of Bhagat
Good
Singh.
morning everyone. My name is Adiyan Dasti. Here I face Bhagat Singh. Jai.
Thank you, Adhian. Now I would like to call Muhammad Ilhan Yaragatti from LKG, who is presenting the role of soldier.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ilhan Yaragatti. I study in LKG class.
Now I would like to call Asra Katkeri from UKG, who is presenting the role of Indira Gandhi.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Saida Asra Katkeri. I am studying in UKG. I am Indira Gandhi, daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. I am first woman Prime Minister of India. My slogan is Garibi Dur Hata. Jai Hind, thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sophia Belgani. I am studying in UKG class. मैं झांसी की बेटी हूँ. मैं अपना देश का सर ऊंचा रखूंगी. मैं अपनी जान से नहीं दूंगी. आजादी की मशालों में, हमें की तलवारों में बख्शूंगी वहाँ. झांसी की रानी आ गई. जय भवानी, अटल भवानी, जय हिंद, थैंक यू. Good morning everyone. My name is Amara. I'm studying in UKG. Look at the flag. Look at the flag. Saffron, white and green. Look at the flag. Salute the flag. Salute the flag. Always honoring. Jai Hind, happy Independence.
Myra. Now I would like to call Uzair Sheikh from UKG, who is presenting the role of soldier.
My name is Suzanne. My school name is Royal Public School. I am a soldier. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Uzair. Now I would like to call Muhammad Siddiqui from UKG, who is presenting the role of Dr. Ambedkar.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Siddiqui. I am UKG class. I am Dr. Ambedkar. Fight for your future.
Thank you, Mohammed Siddiqui. Now I would like to call Kamil Nada from UKG, who is presenting the role of soldier.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kamilada. I am studying in UKG class. My soldier. I love my country. I fight for my country. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamil. Now I would like to call Mohammad Raza Jamada from first standard, who is presenting the role of Mahatma Gandhi.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Raza Jamada. I am studying in first standard. Today I become Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Raza. Now I would like to call Umul Khair from first standard, who is presenting the role of Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Good morning to principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Umul Khair. I am Rani Lakshmi Bai. हम लड़ेंगे ताकि हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ियां अपनी आजादी का उत्सव मना सके। भाग फिरंगी भाग, मैं अपनी झांसी किसी को नहीं दूंगी। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Umul Khair. Now I would like to call Arfan Khan Balur from first standard, who is presenting the role of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arfan. I am studying in first standard. I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you.
Thank you, Arfan. Now I would like to call Inaya Yaragatti from first standard, who is presenting the role of Indira Gandhi.
Good morning everyone. My name is Inaya Yaragatti. I am studying class first. Today I am presenting the role of Indira Gandhi. I am Indira Gandhi, daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am Our Lady. My slogan is Garbi Hatao. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Inaya. Now I would like to call Zian Mujaba from first standard, who is presenting the role of Bhagat Singh.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ziya Muzawar. I am studying in first standard. I am a Bhagat Singh. Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Zian. Now I would like to call Al Hadi Mullah from first standard, who is playing a role of Subhash Chandra Bose.
Hello guys. My name is Al Hadi. I study in first standard. I became Subhash Chandra Bose. I give you freedom. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Al Hadi. Secret of freedom is courage. Now we have an array of beautiful dance performances by our students. Their hard work and dedication will be evident in their performance. So let's encourage them with an enthusiastic applause. Now I would like to call Umme Atla and group to perform their dance.
वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम दिन ये घर सुना सुना है मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी सलाम इंडिया, समझो कि तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया।
भारत हमको जान से प्यार है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यार है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है।
मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।
देश मेरे तेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे तेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे तेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे तेरी शान है तू। हे वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में ज़िंदगी पा जाएंगे। खून क्या चीज़ है तेरे कदमों में, हम बेटे अपने सरों पे चढ़ा जाएंगे। हे वतन मेरे वतन।
जिसपे उमर मिटे लहरा वो झंडा, हर गली भर में है लोहे का बंदा। जिसपे उमर मिटे लहरा वो झंडा, हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा। झंडा लोहा लाठी सीधा योद्धा भूखा शोले, उजले शोले, उजले शोले, जिगरा शोले, दिल के है शोले, चल चल शोले, चल शोले, धरती हिला देगी हर सीना तोड़े। जिसपे उमर मिटे लहरा वो झंडा, हर गली घर में है लोहे का बंदा। आजा आजा हमदम एक हम बने, दिल में खुशी गूंजी है धड़कने, दिल के मन में अब धड़के है शोला, दम है किसी का कर मुकाबला। लोहा ज्वाला गोला वाला जगा बेटा बोलो शोले, कर्मठ शोले, कलकत्ता शोले, उज्जवल शोले, गुजराती शोले। अपना है दिल ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो।
Thank you boys for such an energetic performance. Now I like to call Bhartiya Navnas to perform their dance.
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो, हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जबर से पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, है अपनी गाड़ी। हमें प्यार चाहिए और कुछ पैसे भी, हम ऐसे भी हैं, हम हैं वैसे भी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, उल्टी सीधी जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी। थोड़ी हम में होशियारी है, थोड़ी है नादानी, थोड़ी हम में सच्चाई है, थोड़ी बेईमानी। आंखों में कुछ आंसू हैं, कुछ सपने हैं, आंसू और सपने दोनों ही अपने हैं। आंखों में कुछ आंसू हैं, कुछ सपने हैं, आंसू और सपने दोनों ही अपने हैं। दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, थोड़ी मजबूरी है लेकिन थोड़ी है मनमानी। थोड़ी तू मैं है और थोड़ी खींचातानी। हम में काफी बातें हैं जो लगती है दीवानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो,
हमने कहा है जो
तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, हिंदुस्तानी।
कुछ करिए, नस नस मेरी खो दे, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए, बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। यार बाज हम, चाल साज हम, इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार